TuneScope is a tool developed at the University of Virginia. It combines SoundScope with the programming language Snap. It's available at www.tunescope.org, www.tunescope.org. TuneScope does many of the things that SoundScope does, but rather than using manual controls to turn tones on and off, programming blocks can be used to accomplish the same goal. So I can turn on a tone, or I can turn it off with a programming block. So previously in TuneScope, we combined a couple of tones, and we had a 200 hertz tone and a 100 hertz tone and a 200 hertz tone, which we previously created with adjustable controls, manual controls. Now, one of the benefits of using a computer to do the same thing is that we can create different tones with a loop. So instead of needing half a dozen oscillators to accomplish a task, we can use tones. And so I can do something like this. For tones from 1 to some number, I can make the tone multiply by 100. And let's suppose I want 3 tones, then I can just accomplish the same thing with a loop. So the first time through the loop, tone number 1 has a frequency of 100, tone number 2 has a frequency of 200, and 300. And I can make as many as I want, overtones as I might want. So let's suppose that I want 4. And in fact, you can clearly see the 4 overtones. And this makes it much easier to experiment with large numbers of overtones than it would be if I had to set up a number of manually controlled oscillators. And it makes it easier to explore and play with different possibilities.